Okie dokie. And the last category is
Santa baby, just slip a sable under the tree for me. Been an awful good girl.
Hey YouTube, it's your girl Loaferette and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Welcome back to Vlogmas day 13. Yes, 13. It was supposed to be 12 days of Vlogmas, but I started a little bit too early, one day early. You know, the math wasn't adding up at the time, but we're here. So welcome back to Vlogmas day 13. You guys know it is the 24th of December and today is the day I will be announcing the winner of the giveaway. I just want to say a special shout out to everyone that participated. You guys are the real ones. But yeah, thank you guys so much for participating. I cannot wait to announce the winner. So today, as the title suggests, I will be teaching you guys how to get a fake bang when you're trying to get a quick hairstyle that you need to get done for you to get out of the house, like really quickly. As soon as your makeup is done, you can put this bad boy on and you're gone. And it is something that I saw on Mona B's channel. I've used it quite often. I have also filmed it on my Instagram a long time ago when I first started. I did not start on YouTube. I actually started my videos on Instagram, but I feel like it's needed because you know what's going on in the world. You want to get something really quick. You don't have a lot of time to do a lot of stuff. So for those pineapple girls or those girls with the, you know, bigger real estate up here, and those girls that really like bangs, I have a special way to do your bangs. So if you'd like to see how I get that bang, please keep on watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Alright, let's get to the video. So this is an old braid out twister. I can't remember, what was it? Oh no, this is my, they call them dookie braids, but like I braided my hair back for 2 wigs. I took the braids out and it was time to, you know, not look like a bum. Alright y'all, for today's style, we're gonna be using some Marley braids I got from the beauty supply store. Do you see the braids that I'm talking about? They're not even that deep, but they imitate natural hair. Also for this style, you're gonna be needing some perm rods. It doesn't matter the size, it really depends on how tight you want the curls to be or how loose you want it to be. I normally go with different sizes because I want my bang to look natural, because normally you wouldn't have the same size on your hair. So I go with these different sizes. I can't remember the sizes. This is bigger than this one. The orange and like the peachy brownie looking one. So those are the ones that I go with. Right, and then you'll need water, hot water, and a little bucket to put the hair in. What you're gonna do is take out the Marley braids, and it really depends on how big you want your bang to be. If you want all this extraness and all you have to do is just cut it out, you can use all of this, or you can put it down the middle like that, essentially using 2 sides, right? And then you'll see that once you curl the hair, then you're able to kind of create this extra fluffy bang. I don't know why that's in my face, but you'll be able to create that extra fluffy bang. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more. I have about 9 pieces of Marley locks or Marley braids. And then what I'm gonna do is take my scrunchie and latch it around like so. I don't know if you guys can see, but latch it around like so. And then pull back, or you can even pull forward this one. Choose one to pull and then pull that, loop that through. Once you've looped that through, that creates your scrunchie, your individual scrunchie. And this is what you'll use to put over your hair. Once you're done with this, you want to measure it, make sure that, you know, you think you can go over. I'm sure it can. And if it can't, that's fine. You can just cut this and then just loop it around. But once you're done with this, then you're going to attach this to maybe a door handle. I attached it to my sink because Brad wasn't around to help me, and I needed to get this done. So I kind of pre-rolled these already. Right now they're drying. I hope I pre-rolled it yesterday or last night, and yeah, it's still, what time is it? Like after 5 minutes to 6 and it's still not dry. So what you're gonna do is put this around like a door handle or something that'll hold it, and then you're going to take one of the Marley braids, or you can take 2 depending on how big the perm rods are, and then just wrap it around as tight as you can. So you're gonna continue to do that for all of them, essentially. You're gonna do it for all of them, and you can decide which size again you want, if you want it to be tight curls or looser curls. And then while you're doing this, make sure you have boiled your hot water. So once your hot water has been boiled and you've rolled all of your Marley braids or the individual braids or whatever chunks you put them into, then all you're gonna do is just dip this in the hot water. You're gonna pour the hot water into a bucket or into a container, and then all you're gonna do is dip your finished product into the water. What the water does, because it is hot, and technically these braids are made, I wanna say, from plastic or whatnot, so you don't have to put in any conditioner. The last time I put in conditioner, it was a bit too soft and the bang actually dropped too quickly. So I just went ahead and just didn't put anything, no product in this. All you're gonna be doing is dipping it into the water and then let it sit there for about 5 minutes in the hot water. I technically let it sit there for like 20 to 30 minutes because I really want it to, like, I want everything to be set. I don't want any issues. The good thing about this style is that you can just have your bangs just there chilling whenever you need a last minute hairstyle, and you know, you just pull your hair up in a pineapple, put this bad boy on, take out the perm rods, and then you're good to go. So I've already gone ahead and pre-done mine for this video because your girl ain't got time, you know, it's a Vlogmas. All right, y'all, so this is what the final product is looking like. I can't wait to put it on. I've done this a couple times for sure, and I've never been let down, really. So this will be really, really good, like for those working moms or persons that just don't have the time to do their hair. I'm just gonna go ahead and prep my hair, prepare my hair for this bang thingy, and yeah, I'll talk to y'all when I get done. Alright, so I'm just gonna apply or put a scrunchie on the ends of my hair because it just allows me to put anything that I need to put over the hair easier, and just take out this old updo. This is actually high knee stockings that I use. Guys, get your life, it's the best. I'm gonna go ahead and use this brush to take out my flyaways or my edges, and then I'm gonna apply some Eco Styling gel around the edge of my hair. This bad boy, y'all need it in y'all life. I'm sure most of you have it. I'm just gonna apply that all over the edges of my hair and not really touch my edges. I find the swoops kind of look better this way. And I also find applying my hair or kind of smoothing it out my edges with my fingers just works out a lot better, guys. Like, it just brings everything together. So now I'm going to go ahead and take the brush and again smooth that out, and not really touching my edges too much, maybe just a little, because you can't, you know, you can't avoid them because they're just right there. And I'm going to use this knee-high stocking. You guys know this is the truth. Get some. They do not snag your hair at all. And I'm just going to go ahead and pull my hair back up into that one or updo. When I pull it up, don't be alarmed. This is just old gel that I've had from a previous hairstyle, and it's easily removable. I just use my fingers and just wipe it off, like easy peasy. And I've definitely been sleeping on this Cream of Nature edge control. Y'all, it is really good when you're trying to get your edges sleek, or even when you're trying to braid your hair. This bad boy does not move at all. It's amazing. So I'm just gonna apply that all over my edges. And as you can see, I'm doing them separately. I'm doing my hair in the middle first and then the edges, because again, the swoops actually look a lot better when I separate them. So I'm going to go ahead and use the edge brush, is that what it's called? And just apply like 2 swoops on the side. Nothing too strenuous. I'm not really the swoopty swoop kind of person, but I've been getting into them slowly but surely. And I'm going to be doing my cutie cues, or black people wispies is what I like to call it, with that same edge control. Do you see how amazing that looks? Nothing too tough. Your girl is ready. So now we're gonna add the fake bang. Really and truly, guys, you could have just used a pin and just pinned the hair in. I completely forgot I could have done that, and yeah, I did it the long way. But it's not looking too bad, and my hair is actually extra secure, so I'm not afraid of like a wind passing and like maybe the pin might loose and my bang is gone. But I'm gonna go ahead now and take the bangs out. Ooh, we have a nice little bounce action. This is looking really good. So now I'm just gonna go ahead. Oh my gosh, sorry. Okay, this is looking really good. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the hair, and then once we finish cut the hair, then we'll spread it apart. And bear in mind when you're cutting your bangs, do not cut them too short, because remember it's curly hair you're working with, so you don't want to cut too much and then the curls just gather back up to the front. Don't do it, guys. Just take your time and cut as you like, you know, cut in inches as you go. Okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do the top first, just to make sure that everything can be covered. Okay, so for the top, I started to do it this way, but I wasn't really happy with the end result because the back of my hair or the top of my hair had a different hair texture than the front. As you can see, the front is really smooth, and then the back of my hair is a bit coarse. And I'm here trying to, like, it's not looking too bad, but I feel like I could have done a better job. So I just went ahead and, yeah, did that. I twisted it because I felt like the top was a bit too much while the bang was already as big as it is. So I just went ahead and twisted my hair. And guys, I forgot to show you how I separated the front. I'm so sorry. Maybe next time. But it's easy, nothing too tough. All right, y'all, so this is the final look. Let me know how I did. Let me know if you guys have tried this before. I absolutely love it. It is so easygoing, so quaint, so, I don't know, just so, like mysterious. I just absolutely love it. Let me know in the comments down below if you think the style was easy, if you think that you can actually recreate it, and even if you do recreate it, please don't forget to tag me at Loaferette. I completely forgot to do my lips. Oh man, what we do for the tube. So we have our lips on, and it's now time to announce the winner. I have selected the winner for the giveaway, and the winner is Ervincia Defaux. Ervincia Defaux. Thank you so much for your comment, girl. Like, it really resonated so much with me. You are welcome as relates to the makeup tips. I try. But thank you so much for like supporting me. I always see you under my videos. And your comments really melt my heart at times and can be funny and, you know, everything like that. But yeah, thank you so much for entering my giveaway, and I hope you enjoy the products. Please reach out to me on Instagram, or yeah, please reach out to me on Instagram and we can work out, you know, the logistics. But yeah, thank you so much for your support. All right, y'all, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Also, don't forget to smash that notification bell so you do not miss another upload, and also follow me on all my social media accounts, Loaferette, at Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. All right, I'll see you guys in the next part. Enjoy the bloopers. But yeah, thank you guys so much for participating. I cannot wait to announce the winners. I cannot wait to announce. Do you see these Morley? What the hell is Morley? Get it together, bitch. All you're gonna be doing is just dipping it.